Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about how to select the report for remind and finance charge in Business Central, how to calculate the remind, and also how to calculate the finance charge. This functionality is important for you to send reminds to the customer to inform about uh, the invoice that is open, and also to inform the customers about overdue document. So it's something that you usually can use Business Central, the standard process, to manage this. Please subscribe my channel and add your comments. I am more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. So let's go to Business Central and check how we can select this report, and also how we can use the remind and the finance charge in Business Central. Okay, let's go and find the setup in Business Central. Clicking explore more. If you go to receivable, we have here the report selection for remind and finance charge. Okay, so basically here what we need to do is select the usage, in this case the remind, and then you can see here that we have the report that is remind, and then you can select if you want to use for email body. So what will happen here is that the email you will add the information about the invoice, the number of the invoice, and also what you can do here is send this data as attachment. Okay, and here we have to select what is the email body layout description. Okay, basically is that. We will have this option also for finance charge. The options are the same, so you just need to select, and then if you want to add email body, you will also check here and add if is needed. Also what we have here, because in both documents, in the reminds and in the finance charge, you have the option to print the test. That means that you can check this before you post, and then you can see also what is the report that Business Central uses, and also you can change this setup if it's needed. Okay, let's go now to see how this works, how we can create reminds in Business Central. So let's go. I will go via Explore. Okay. Here in the receivable, we have here remind. I already have one, so I think it's good for us to check this. Okay, so basically what you can see here, we can delete this and create a new, just for you to see how this works. But basically what you can see here is all the invoice that is open. In this case, here you can see that for all we have the overdue, right? Because and then you can check the value that is open. And in this case, you need to consider that the remind is just to inform the customer that we have these orders that is, or this invoice that is open, and please go ahead and proceed with the payment. We are not charge the customer with the interest. So you can see here, the only thing that we have here is additional fee that is basically because this process, and you can also remove the additional fee if it's not needed. So basically is up to you. So here we have the remind, and if you want to post this, you just have to click here, and then you have the option to print this, to check, or you can just go and post. Okay, so in this case it was posted, so we can now check this remind as posted. So let's go to receivables and check the issued reminds. That means the reminds posted. Okay, so here you can see, and if you click here, you can open and see what we posted here. Okay. And also here, just for you to understand, we have also the finance charge that was posted. I already posted one in advance, so you can see. So we have here the finance charge memes, that is the place that you can create this finance charge. And here is the finance charge memo that was already posted. So let me open here so you can see. So you can see that we have a value of interest amount, and if you click here, you can see this. What is the percent that we are using? What is the value that is open now in for this customer, and what is the value of the interest that we are charging the customer. So you can see this, and then when you send this via email, we will attach the document, and also we have the email setup that we want, as I mentioned before, that you can define, for example, that in the body, the email body, you can also define the invoice, the value. Okay, basically is that. I think we don't need to post a charge memo, a finance charge memo, but one thing that you can see, let me go again, here is that you can, for example, in this case I already posted, so I don't have any invoice to post again, but one thing that you can do here, so let's do just as test, you can cancel this, so let's do. Okay, I will cancel, and then we can do this again. Okay, so it was the status here is cancelled, and if we go here, we can check the entries, right? So you can see here that the process was reversed. Okay. Okay, and if we want to post this again, what we need to do, so let's go to finance charge, let's calculate and then post, so you can have a good overview about how this process work. So let's click here, finance charge memo. What you can do here is clicking create finance charge memo. You should select the custom or let for all. In this case, I use select because I just have the setup for this customer in this Kronos database. So I use select, and you inform the date that you post this finance charge. Okay, so you can see here the value. If we check here, you can see that you have every invoice and what is the amount that you are calculate for every line. So this will help to the customer understand what you are charging here. And then if everything here is okay, what you need to do here in order to post this is just click here. Okay. Okay, it was posted. If we go now, we will check this. Here I have the report. Maybe it's good to open so you can see here. This is the report that will be attached when you send the email to the customer. So let's go here and explore more and see the finance charge issued. Okay, so you can see now that we have two, and the first was canceled. So let's go here and check this. Here you can also send this via email, as I mentioned before, and the data and all the information is here. Okay, this is how to select the report for reminds and finance charge. Please let me know if you have any question. Add your comments and subscribe my channel. I am more than happy to answer any questions that you can have. Thank you, and see you until my next video.